How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Broadland YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing the speakers in the door. Install is going to be so cool. I cannot wait to put this thing in. They are some Skar speakers. I'm about to show them to y'all. I ended up getting them for Christmas, so let's go ahead and swap them out and just hear the difference. Dude, this is going to be pretty cool. Okay, so as you guys know, I actually have the 4-door Chevy, so I ended up picking up 4 speakers, obviously. And I got the TX65 and RPX65. So let's unbox them and get them thrown in the truck real quick. Still trying to get used to this gimbal, but this is the RPX 65s. So we're gonna get them all thrown in, and yeah. Okay, guys, it's from my understanding that we should put the TX65s in the front and then the RPXs in the back, because I think the TXs can like handle more or whatever. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I still have my factory head unit, and I literally just, for right now, I'm using a Bluetooth transmitter, but I do actually have a head unit, so I'm gonna be putting that in another video, which is gonna be awesome. So these speakers up front are definitely like, so these speakers right here in the front, they're definitely blown like bad. So I'm gonna show y'all them right now and just play something off the radio. Like they're blown up bad. They do not sound good to me. So they do not sound good anymore. It does have a factory Bose system, which is good, but yeah, they're definitely blown. So let's get the new ones in. These GMT 800 door panels and like Chevy door panels are like extremely easy to take off, so this is gonna be so easy to do. Okay, so I did my window actuators a long time ago, so if I remember correctly, you just pop this thing off first. We gotta get all the bolts off. Alrighty, perfect. So we just went ahead and popped that off. So easy. Okay, guys, freaking perfect. Went ahead and got the door panel off. Just unclip a couple of these wires, your door light wire, and you got access to your speaker. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, I think I know why it didn't sound good. Dude, that thing is crusty. Oh my gosh. Like, that thing is horrendous, dude. Dude, we gotta get this thing out. Alrighty, guys, I just got this one out. It's kind of cool. It says like Bose on the back and stuff like that. Made in Mexico. But gosh, that does not look good. What do y'all think? Jeez Louise. Let's go and get the new one in. Holy cow, look at the difference on that puppy. Jeez. This one feels like a lot more heavy duty than this one. This Skar. And it just is built a whole lot better. Bose is good, but I mean, not from 2004 looking like that. So let's get her slapped in. Alrighty, guys, went ahead and got this done. Took a little bit of a break watching the game. So we got everything all nice and screwed in. It's real secure. I'm not gonna put the metal thing on the mesh on the outside, because I got my own that it just comes with it on the front. So I went ahead and plugged the adapter in, and now we're gonna test it. Let's see. Hopefully it works. Oh, it's loud. Alrighty, guys, we got the door panel nice and snap back on. Everything's pretty secure on it. I've taken it off one time for the actuator, like I said, but just to double check it works. I'm gonna throw this in. Let's get into that door. Alrighty, perfect. Went ahead and got the driver's side door panel off. Definitely a little bit harder, because it's got like the same amount of wires. However the crap that works, because you got a bunch of controls. So this one is crusty too. Holy crap, look at that. Just blowing around it the whole way. About 75% of it is blown. Oh my gosh, dude. Let's go ahead and get this thing unclipped and get this nice Skar one in. Holy crap. Look at the rust on the back side of this thing. These are ruined. Bro. Like, this thing is a piece, bro. Went ahead and screwed this one in. You know, you gotta, I just screwed 4 more new screws in, and it's about as strong as it gets. Got it all hooked up, and now we're gonna see if it works before we throw the whole door panel back on. Oh, I don't hear anything. Oh wait, I forgot to connect them. Oh, I'm stupid. Just forgot to connect them. Just gotta connect them right down here at this bottom piece. That was a little bit scary. All right, it's time for the actual grand reveal. Oh yeah, it's working, baby. This freaking door panel thrown on. Holy crap, guys, I just got freaking done putting this thing back on. And, dude, we're gonna test these front 2 speakers out. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Okay, guys, went ahead and took off the rear door panel. It was just 2 little easy bolts. And, I just went ahead and unbolted the 4 screws. This one actually has 4 screws. That one had like a clip-on thing. And, yeah, this one is blown up as well. So, every single one I've brought out has been, like, blown up. So, yeah. Okay, guys, this is actually the next day. And, I want to show y'all, like, the speakers kind of, like, better. And, dude, I forgot to tell y'all, the rear door speakers didn't fit. Like, they don't work. They're too big. I ordered too big of a size. I put 6.5s in the back. 6.5s in the front, and I put 6.5s in the back, and they just didn't fit. So that freaking sucks. But I got all of them back in, and I figure I'd show y'all what it sounds like in here. They're pretty freaking loud. I'm just gonna play some no copyright music for y'all real quick, and y'all can listen to it. There still is like crazy static because I'm on a Bluetooth transmitter, but yeah. It's pretty loud. I just did the radio. It wasn't even no copyright song, but they're pretty freaking loud. Yeah, but as you can see, they're definitely an upgrade, and they are like, they're so loud. Can't wait to get the head unit in because it sounds so staticky. Because I'm running the Bluetooth transmitter again. But yeah, the freaking back ones didn't fit. I'm pissed. Gotta send them back. Yeah. If you guys liked today's video, I want y'all to smash the subscribe button and the like button. Go follow my Snap and my Instagram, link in bio, my YouTube channel, and go pick up a certified Bubba sticker for your truck, cooler, whatever you want. They're a pretty good deal, and that'll be the link in the bio of this video. See y'all later. Thanks for watching.
I would cry.